During the summer, my daughters brought home this super cute and simple Catholic Mass set that they made as the craft during Vacation Bible School. The idea is brought to you by the talented religious ed team at our church, and I thought it was too cute not to share. My daughters still pull their Mass kits out when they want their dolls or stuffed animals to go to church or just set up and admire. They learned about all the different items used in the church and created a miniature version to take home at the end of VBS. The genius thing about this kit is that everything fits inside of the box, which doubles as the altar. There are lots of Catholic shops that sell different kinds of Catholic Mass kits for kids, but I thought this was a cute, crafty version that was simple to make. Each kid got to pick out one piece of colored fabric for the top of the altar. They could pick between red, green, purple, and white. The altar candles are birthday candles placed inside of a small wooden dowel, and each kid got 2 for their Mass set. The chalice is pre-made gold plastic, but the kids could decorate them. The team at VBS offered puffy paint, glue, and rhinestones for the kids to add to their chalices, and some kids even colored the insides of their chalices red to symbolize the precious blood. The pall is a little white piece of folded toilet paper with a red cross drawn in the corner. The ciborium is a little gold plate that the kids could glue jewels to. When I looked online, I saw little dessert plates small enough to hold a truffle that are the perfect size for this Mass kit. The little Eucharists were made from a thin craft foam. The kids cut them out and could decorate them with little cross designs. The monstrance was made out of a cut-up yellow pool noodle and a yellow popsicle stick. My daughters added gold pipe cleaners to create the rays, but other kids used puffy paint and rhinestone jewels to decorate theirs. The paper or craft foam Eucharist fits inside of the pool noodle hole. You, of course, can add more to your little Mass kits, but I thought this would help give you some ideas that you can try out with your family religious education group or next VBS. If you do make a Mass kit, I would love to see how they turn out. Feel free to tag me on social media and know that I post new Catholic-inspired art tutorials here on my channel every week. If you'd like to support my channel, I have a Buy Me a Coffee page and art supply wish list that you can donate to. I want to remind you that you are loved, God loves you very much, and He loves your artwork very much. Thank you so much for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.